You're wondering now what to do. Now you know that this is the end. You're wondering how you will pay for the way that you misbehaved. Hair sheen is no defense for all this smoke. My throat aches to join the swallowed chorus. Heels are threatening to break clean off. Every time I glance at him, dancing with her, it pummels my chest like a domino slap. Tomorrow is church, but I'll be back next week. The blue light is on in this shebeen. When politics toast rhythm, the filth and look thy neighbours pale away, dipping our troubles into the pooling bass. In this light, everything is glistening like gold teeth. Yes, I'll be back next week. As they knock us down outside, occupy our concrete, conserve our culture, we two-step in Raymond's basement, clandestine spirituality, in full possession of the horns and the off-keys. Someone said there is a raid coming our way, but I'll still be back next week. Inelegant feet were skanking fire along Princess Street. Today our men jerked out of the political shuffle into jungle thrusts. A torrent of blues, black, brown and red. I saw them gnashing at the time and shredding it to pieces. Ankles are swollen, tears are livid, rifts have become internal. There is no way we will return to a nocturnal humble shuffle, but I'll still be back next week.